Today is going to be a really brief video. Today is Wednesday, September the 22nd. I'm going to show you just how important the cloud technicals were today. First of all, the McClellan oscillator hit the neutral line. Now, where does it go from here? The last time it hit the neutral line just a few days ago, last week, it started crashing down. So let's see if the bears will take over again. Let's just go right directly into the charts. The Dow Jones. Here's one for you. Look at the Chikou span stopping at the end of the day right at the cloud. Look at price being rejected on the cloud. That's number one for the Ichimoku system. NASDAQ, Chikou span sneaks above the candle. Doesn't mean anything. Price finishes above the 50. Both good signs. S&P, where was its high today? Right there. And where is that? Right at the bottom of tomorrow's candle. Not today's candle, but tomorrow's candle. Don't know what that means, but it's going to be tomorrow's resistance, which would be today's high, and that's also the 50. So let's take that green line, just move it out of the way for a second, but look at this. Today, rejection on the 50, and that happens to be tomorrow's rejection point as well, which is right there. We're going to zero in on that, so we'll remember that tomorrow. The volatility index dropped quite nicely after two really startling days. Not as bad, well, it was as bad as we saw in May, but we only saw that for 2 days. Back in February, we had a really choppy period, but the volatilities in January and February were much higher than we saw on this round. Is it over yet? Pretty hard to say. We're going to just look at Apple, which had a great day today, but where did it stop? Right on its 50 and its high of the day. If we take a draw line right there, well, let's just take this green line. Let's move it right up to there. Where did it stop? Just at the bottom of that candle. So what is that, third or fourth coincidence now for the Chikou span and the Ichimoku? Square had a really great day today, still in the cloud, but up above the 50. Where did it stop today? It finished the day on its high, and its Chikou span was up here below the body of the candle. So still some work to do, but a good opportunity to squeak above and move up there. I hope not. I'd like to see Square pull back this week and do its charge next week, but that's just because I happen to be short the 255s and certainly wasn't expecting this kind of a move. So I do now expect some kind of and hope for some kind of a move back. Now SMTC, I bought 200 shares today around 79.50. Any move up tomorrow, let me put an alert right there. Any move up tomorrow, and I'm going to be buying some more. Anything else we want to talk about? IBM, not exciting. Where was its top today? Not even at the 200, so that would be resistance tomorrow. Caterpillar had a reasonable day today, bounced off of that 38.2. That was September the 20th. So where is today? That's September the 20th. Sorry, what is that? That's September the 19th. Well, that's the 1 week, I'm sorry. Let's look at the daily. Not very impressive for Caterpillar. But I still did buy 100 more shares today because it's just too nice where it is, and the dividend is pretty good as well. So good stock, I think, to accumulate here. Caterpillar is not going to stay weak forever.